Hello friends, in this video we shall be discussing certain positive signs and lucky signs or lines in palmistry that ensures your success in getting a government job. It could also be a higher administrative job also. I Srivardhan welcome you to this video, and you can subscribe to our channel or visit our website, that is missiontatastu.com, for a unique consultation program. So let's start with this video. First of all, this is the fate line, which is really very important when you are applying for a government job or doing efforts to clear a competition exam. So it has to start from the bottom of the hand and it ends on the Saturn mount. So this is basically known as fate line or Saturn line. So it has to be a strong line, very prominent, and there shouldn't be any negative sign in between, like any breakage or any other negative sign or a mole or etc. So it should start from the bottom and it should reach up till the Saturn mount. This is a positive indication. This is the first and basic indication that ensures your government job. Now, any branch of this fate line going to Jupiter mount. Okay, Jupiter, this is the Jupiter mount over here. It is related to leadership. So it ensures basically your success in getting a higher administrative level job. So it is very positive indication. So if you are having this indication in your hand, you should definitely try for a competition exam related to higher administrative jobs in government sector. Now another indication is basically a branch going towards sun mount. This is basically a ring finger and this is the sun mount. So if a branch of the fate line is going towards the sun mount, so it is also equally good indication and it will definitely ensure your success in getting a government job. And now it is very much similar if we see in the lifeline. Basically this is the lifeline and a similar branch going towards the Jupiter mount. It is also very good indication, and a similar branch going to the sun mount as we described it towards in the fate line. So it is the same thing but with the lifeline itself. If you are having either of these conditions, so you will definitely get success in getting a government job or a higher administrative job accordingly. Okay, so now these are the basic two indications which I have mentioned in both my hands. One is related to fate line, another is related to lifeline. Okay, so now we come to independent mounts. Now how mounts can help you, or taking a look at your mounts can guide your career accordingly in getting a government job. So if you are having a straight vertical line on Jupiter mount, it also strengthens this mount, and this mount is related to leadership and getting a good job or a higher administrative job. So if you are having this vertical line over here in Jupiter mount, so it is also a very good indication. Similarly, if you are having this line on Mercury mount, it is also very good indication, but specifically if you are having this indication or a triangle near your Mercury mount, so it ensures your success in government job, especially for those who are applying in education sector, maybe a lecturer post or somewhere a teacher, a government teacher. So this triangle as well as vertical small line ensures your success in getting a government job in education sector itself. So if you are having this indication, you must try to get the job in the as mentioned education sector. You will definitely get the success. Now this is the brain line or the headline. So if there is a trident formation at the end, you can see clearly, if there is a trident formation in the end of the brain line, it also indicates towards your success in getting a government job or clearing the competition exam, because this makes a person very intellectual and he or she will definitely clear the competition exam if given a chance. Okay, so this is a very good indication that ensures that you will definitely get success in clearing the competition exam at any level. Now, in this hand, if you are having a sun line, okay, as well as the fate line, and if some line or a branch of fate line is joining your sun line and the fate line, so this is also, this should be considered. There are two basic outcomes of this sign. Basically, it gives you a sudden wealth in some form or sudden gains, monetary gains, as well as this is a very good sign of getting a government job also. Okay, so it is very good indication in regard to your success in career as well as fame. So if some line is joining your fate line and sun line together, so it is a very great indication that you must go for the government job. Okay, government job or government exams. So these are the few indications that I have discussed, or signs that I have discussed, that will ensure your success in getting a government job. But hard work is always the primary thing that you have to do for getting a job. But if you are having any of these signs, that will ensure your success and ensure the success of your efforts in getting the desired government job. So I hope you have liked this video, and we will be soon uploading new videos with new information and new things about palmistry. So just like our channel and like this video and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.